Hello everyone, in this video I am going to review this lip care gift set from Mcaffeine. It's called Mcaffeine Choco Kissed Lip Gift Set, and this is marketed for dry and chapped lips, and it says it offers 24 hours of moisturization. I bought this from Nykaa for rupees 799. Let's look how the product is. The box that it comes in is very sturdy and pretty. On the back side of the box, they have given the contents of the box, and it contains Choco Lip Scrub, Choco Lip Balm and Choco Lip Sleeping Butter, all in its individual 12-gram tubs. The MRP is given as 997 on the box, and in Nykaa it's always on off, like 20% off, and I got it for 799. You can slide open the box, and inside you have 3 tubs. It's written natural, 100% vegan and cruelty free. This is a Choco range by Mcaffeine, and they also have a coffee version of this. I purchased this because I like the coffee chocolate smell, and I was really looking forward for the product to work. This is the lip balm. I really like the tub that it comes in. All these tubs contain 12 grams of product. Open it and you have a lid to protect the contents. This has a balmy texture. I felt it was slightly grainy too, which is not desirable for a lip balm, but something I can live with if the lip balm actually works. But the sad part was that the lip balm did not work. After applying, it just feels greasy on the lips but does nothing to hydrate or moisturize your lips. I have chapped lips, and this just did nothing to soften the hard skin on my lips, and it was just as good as not applying any lip balm. I wanted to use this for a week before I give a review, but I could use this only for 2 days, and I had to go back to using my other lip balm as my lips started cracking. I wouldn't buy this again, nor would I recommend it for anyone. Next we have the Choco Lip Sleeping Butter. The packaging is similar to that of the lip balm. The texture is buttery and it melts easily, but the texture is super grainy. I don't know if it is visible on the camera, but first I thought I took the lip scrub by mistake because it was that grainy. Applying this was not a pleasant experience, and it did not work as much as any other average lip balm. But compared to the Choco Lip Balm, this lip sleeping butter is slightly better, very slightly. Still, I wouldn't buy this again or wouldn't recommend it to anyone. Next we have this lip scrub. This is grainy as it should be, and I have used it 5 to 6 times, and I have not seen any massive difference as such. And I have to tell you that I have not used any other lip scrub before, so I cannot do an actual comparison or a review for the scrub. All I can say is that I would never buy this again. Also, I have seen a lot of 5-star reviews for this product in Nykaa, and this is a newly launched product, so chances are that those could be paid reviews or not. But I recommend you to wait for some time for some more genuine review before you invest in this product. Meanwhile, you can go for other tried and tested products like Laneige or whichever had worked for you earlier. And another pocket friendly product that was worked extremely well for me is this mint lip balm from VAADI. It says active UV block. It works well for my chapped lips. Also, it lightened the pigmentation on my lips like no other lip balm has ever done. I got this from Amazon as a pack of 4, and the price written under the tub is 58 rupees. I highly recommend this one, but this is not a sponsored video. I would like to know if you have tried any of these lip balms, especially the Mcaffeine ones, and let me know in comments if you have. Thank you for watching.